today it's Sunday.
The day that we need to cut my hair.
Yes, and ang dami niyang ginawang dance cover.
Yeah.
Makikita niyo sa FB Reels. Yeah, isa to. Na-post ko na to. So yan, ikakat ko na kasi yung buhok niya.
The moment she's open my hair.
Today is the day
To cut my braids.
to remove your braids.
Yeah.
But we're gonna find where's your real hair. Ito ba?
Here, Mom.
Wait, is that your real one?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready?
Dad just wants me.
Yan, dami niyang sinayaw bago namin to puputulin. So, kanina ang dami niyang ginawa, right? You've been dancing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, I don't think we have any wood.
Here, I think we have to find, can you get a ponytail there, Baba, please?
Why are you tying hair?
Look down, please.
She's a professional cutter now for braids.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Ang dami niyang dance cover. Isa lang yung damit niya para hindi na siya mapagod kakapalit-palit. Pero ang dami niyang sinayaw, right? You did a lot of dancing.
Yeah.
So maybe this one, Baba, here.
Just go,
Here.
go for it.
Go for it. Ready? Ready? Goodbye, braid. No, here you go, Baba. All right. What's so funny? Not funny.
Wait, let me try to get some. I can't even.
Okay, you have to help me. Matagal to, guys. As in. Matagal to. Ang dami nito. You're gonna have a curly hair, Baba.
And I don't want to have a shower.
Daddy can't
once
wait
it's
to
good.
see your real hair.
By the time he gets here, we'll probably be still doing this.
I know. So help mommy now.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
I can do.
Diyos ko, abutin tayo dito ng siyam-siyam. You can keep that one as a remembrance.
Yes.
Ito yung first time niya magpaganitong buhok talaga.
Oh my God, guys, look.
Kunti lang ang buhok nito eh.
See, there's an issue when I take them out. It's like
Huh?
it looks very easy on me, but it's not.
Okay.
Wait, you're already up to the top?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh God. I just can't believe this.
God, where's your...
What if it was my real hammer? Ow.
Here you go. I can see. Here you go. So, ito yung braid niya. And this is...
I'm
Oh my
keeping
God.
this curl. I'm
Look at-
keeping everything.
Look at this. I hope I didn't cut your real hair, Baba.
Why?
I hope not. Well, it will grow.
I'm still up to my best.
So, ito yung real hair niya, oh. Look at that, Baba. Look how curly it is.
I know, I can see. I'm a wanna.
Ano ba? More than a month. Kasi ginawa to, August 5. Ano na ngayon?
I can still wash my
More than a
hair.
month na talaga. 15 na ngayon eh.
Since we
A month and 10 days. A month and 10 days. Okay. Tanggalin lang muna namin to,
Let's see who
guys.
can do the most, Mom.
Ha?
Let's see who can do the most on that.
Who do you think? Mother.
'Cause I'm
Mother.
not-
Abangan nyo yung reels niya, guys. Yung mga dance cover niya. Right, Baba? You
Yeah.
did a lot. As in, a lot.
like
More than...
20.
Yeah, more than, I think. I didn't cut your hair, Baba.
This doesn't look like real. Maybe because it's in the curl.
Yeah. Maybe.
Did I do or not?
Okay. Balikan namin kayo mamaya. Almost. This is the last. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Wait. Ang daming Hindi ko alam kung real hair or yung extension niya. Ayan.
Someone equal.
Okay, wait, baby. Oh. Okay, we're just gonna just look. There's a lot of hair coming out. But I don't think so. This is your. Yung iba real, yung iba extension. Okay, just put it together, please. Look at you. You like your hair?
Yeah.
Fluffy. Look at you. You look so pretty.
Wait, what's if it's wait, Mom, wait.
See?
And then when you untie it, Mom, boom.
Yeah. Love you.
I can't even feel you touching me.
Huh?
I can't even feel you touching
You
me.
can't even feel my hand. Ayan na. Ano lang naman, almost an hour.
Look, guys.
Yeah, an hour. But I have to brush your hair, Baba, because
You want me to get my brush? I haven't used that brush in years.
for you have for a month, more than a month.
Like 2 months. Mom, how do you braid hair actually? I don't actually know.
So, ang
How do
dami,
you
oh.
start braiding hair?
For sure, hindi ito yung totoo niyang buhok sa, ano siguro to sa extension din.
I can practice braiding hair with this.
No, it's not your hair. Now, see?
That was on me.
No, it's not.
Yeah. How do you even braid?
Okay, you look so pretty.
Is that all?
Yes.
We're finished. Time
Yeah.
to do some more TikTok.
Oh, more TikTok.
Yeah.
Okay, have a photo.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the camera.
Jacko, show Queen to Jack.
Look at, not yet. Look at the camera.
Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time.
Happy birthday, Holly. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. But yeah, may pa-pizza na tayo tonight. Today, September 20. Ayan.
get MABALOS?
Ngayon, magpapakat sila ng hair pala. Pupunta dito si, si Kylie. Ayan na si Sophie. Hi, Soph.
Where
And
you going?
Chloe's here.
Where you going, Kobe?
Kobe do that?
Change your clothes na, kuya. Nag-meeting na kami, guys. Kasi bukas, grand final. Saturday, di ba? So, grand final na bukas. And, yeah, meeting. Kasi eto, maaga siya. See you, Kobe! Alis na si Kobe. Kasi may pupunta pa siya.
Good luck, boys.
Good luck, boy. Umalis na si Kobe kasi nga, may pupunta pa siya. And si Jan, bukas, maaga siya alis. Before 6 o'clock. Pupunta na siya sa... We're going Kongorong, right? Is it Kongorong? Yeah.
Are you driving there?
Kongorong yung grand final.
China?
Yeah. But, yeah, dalawang cars kasi si Jan. Mauna si Jan, 6, yun nga, before 6. Para makapila na siya doon sa entrance. And kami ng mga boys, 7:30 kami aalis. Ayaw kasing gisingin ni Jan ng maaga yung mga bata para may extra sleep sila kasi nga, grand finals, di ba? And kami ni Kylie sa isang car lang. Gagamitin ko yung car namin para siyang magda-drive. 7:30. 7:30 are we leaving, Kyle? 7:30 kami aalis. So, yeah. So, and it's your birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday, my love. We're gonna watch Footy.
Second.
Tapos ay kumain. Ayan. 6 weeks siyang walang gupit. Tsaka kulay. Tapos na si Jan. Ayan na si Kuya naman ang ginugupitan. Yes. Tapos na si Kuya. Siya naman magpapatrim lang. Yeah. Nice.
It's nice and thick.
Yeah.
Beautiful, Holly girl.
Good job.
Radio Zaki.
Ang itim ng buhok niya. Oh. Ayan na si Saki. Good morning, guys. Happy birthday. Hoy, happy birthday.
Where's that go? Quick! Rub it in.
Yung omega pala yan. Nilalagay niya sa kanyang legs kasi medyo masakit. And si Jan, umalis mga 6, before 6.
Happy birthday, Holly.
Thanks. Happy birthday, Holly. Thanks.
Kanina inasal ni Saxy Holly. Kinakantahan niya. Hinihintay lang namin si Kylie. Eto na yung kagabi hindi ko na nakulog kasi wala naman. Nagkwentuhan lang kami kagabi after dinner. And kinat yung hair nila. Ha? Ang birthday celebration namin isa, Footy Club. Kasi eto na yung last Footy nila. Kasi diba grand final na. So hinihintay na lang namin sila Kylie. Happy birthday. How old are you now? No, 7. 7. I'm just joking. Yes, you are 8. Happy birthday. And ayan, may dala pa siya isang jacket kasi sobrang lamig ako ito. Lumpat na naman yung ating. Grabe. Kaka-open lang natin. Nagbi-blink na yung aking battery. And eto, empty na to guys. Hindi pa nalagay ni dyan sa labas. And yung gamit ko ay Skintific na cushion. Tapos, yung blush ko, yung matagal ng blush, yung stick din siya, pero hindi jelly. Tapos dito, Happy Skin, yung lipstick ko. Ano ba yung Happy Skin? Nakita nyo na yun before. Nakalimutan ko lang yung shade niya. Ano? So, hinihintay lang namin si Kyle naglalagay pala ako ng ice dito. Tapos eto, magre-refill ako ng tubig sa kanya para maging ice. Bukas, everyday ko na. Since nung nabili natin to, everyday, lagi na tayong may ice na dinalagay dito. And also, may kasama tayong isang bata, si Maddie. Nakita niyo na rin si Maddie, di ba? Nung nag-fishing kami, kasama siya yung anak ni James. So, si James kasama ni Jan. Tapos, si Willow nag-follow kay Jan. So, parang nag-carpool ba ang tawag doon? Pero si James nasa car ni Jan. Kasi nga, maaga sila doon para may pasok yung isang car. And yung car namin, sa labas na to kasi, ang haba na raw doon ng pila. Ang ibang araw, gabi pa lang, nilalagay na nila doon yung car. Nakapila na yung car. Pero hindi naman natin yung ginawa. So, maaga lang umalis si Jan para makapasok yung isang car doon. Kasi maghapon tayo doon. Kasi ito na yung grand final, last Footy na nila. So, sa Port Mac, nakasali lang na... nakasama lang na sa grand final ay yung nila. Sila Sakno na. Yeah, you're competing with Hadil. But you're the only...
We already lost one, remember?
Huh?
We already lost one.
Lost?
Remember? The Hunters down?
Yeah.
Yeah, we lost.
Yeah.
It was like 57 to...
Yeah, but now, but that's the one. Yeah, yung kalaban nila ngayon ay yung natalo sila before.
So we need a win.
Yeah. Bago yung last Saturday na game. Ano? Tapos umubo pa si Sok. Uminom na sila ng Nurofen. So yung mga kalaban nila sa grand final ay yung tumalo sa kanila 2 weeks ago. Kasi 2 weeks ago, kaya last week ang kalaban nila yung nakita nyo. What's that one? The team last Saturday. Last Saturday. Ha? Kalangado. So, yeah. Hinihintay lang natin sila. Tapos, gusto ko, meron ako dito pang spaghetti, guys. And sabi ni Jan, wag daw akong magluto. Kasi, yun nga, aalis kami mamayang dinner. Ayan, meron akong hotdog, tapos may beans. Pero sabi ni Jan, no, don't cook. Plano ko sana lutuin kagabi pag alis nila Kylie. Pero sabi ni Jan, no, you don't have to cook. Sabi ko, tradition namin. So, baka mamaya magluto pa rin akong konti para kay Holly lang. Carbonara. Siguro we'll see. But yeah, magdi-dinner kami sa labas. So, yun guys. See you later. Kasi naririnig yung umuubos siya. Wala tayong cake. We'll see kung ano magagawa ko. Meron tayo ditong cupcakes. Dito linagay ng mga bata. Alright. Nagtimpla pala ako guys na ano. Alam niyo naman na hindi ako ma-coffee, diba? Pero nagtimpla ako nitong Jara French vanilla. Jara. So, ayun. Kasi malamig. Sobrang lamig sa labas. And, eto lang yung parang coffee na kaya ko. Kasi the rest na coffee nahihilo talaga ako. Pero eto. At saka yung salted caramel. So, eto lang yung... Pero hindi araw-araw, hindi. Ganito lang. Minsan wala sa isang linggo. Wala, hindi ako ma-coffee. Ngayon lang talaga. Okay, labas ko na yung car kasi si Kylie nag-text na papunta na sila dito. Sinundo lang daw nila saglit si Maddie. Okay. So, ayan. So, meron kami nito kasi si Jan, diba, mahilig din siya sa coffee. And eto yung takip niya. Good morning, girls. Nandito na kami, driver natin. Good morning, Maddie and Sophie. May mga, ano na sila, mga ka-text. Alam mo na, mga teenagers. They're texting your boyfriend, Matt. Lumaki yung mata niya. Yung boys nandun sa pinakalikod. Inubad ko muna yung puffer jacket ko kasi mainit. Ang init sa loob ng bahay. So, mamaya susutin natin yan.
I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight.
Si Kyle ang driver natin, pero ang navigator namin is si Kuya. Kasi sabi niya, magliliko na ba tayo? Sabi ni Kuya, no, hindi pa. Umuulan na. What time is your game? 10:30, Kuya? 9:15. Anong oras na? 7:54. Dito na kami, guys. Wala nang park doon malapit sa fence. Dito kami sa pinakalikod. And umuulan. Pinapalabas lang ni Kylie yung mga bata para makapag-ready na. So, si John, somewhere doon. Hindi pa kayo makaalis kasi umuulan. Paano na yan? Ayun yung oval, oh. So, at least nasa loob pa rin tayo ng ano, ng footy. Ayun na yung boys and yung oval doon. Kami hindi pa kayo makakaalis. Good luck! Good luck, Kuya! Lalakad na tayo papunta dito sa car ni Johnny Boy.
Hi, Bobby.
Hi, honey.
You going, Manny? Alright, I'm going over here now.
Why?
Pump them up.
Ah, you're gonna go? Yeah, alright.
So, dog.
See you.
Go over.
Okay, come on, baby. Yeah, nag-start na, guys. Go. Go, boys. Come on. Go! Grab! Ah. Don't hurt. Get it, Zach! Go! Pick! Go, go, go! Oh! Bounce, bounce! Oh! Get it! Hi, Grace! Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Go! Oh. Good job! Oh, shit! Oh, come on. Go, Zach! Oh! Go, Zach! Up, Kuya! Kung nakita ng mark ni Kuya. Golly! It's alright! It's alright!
Go long, go long!
Oh! Yeah. Hey, come on, boys.
Let's just swirl that. Probably down the other way.
Go, Todd. Go, Todd.
Go hard, hard.
Go, Todd.
Very long.
Oh! Come on! Come on!
Well done, Todd.
Good job! Good tackle! Oh! Come on, come on! No, 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 no! Go, Sak! Sak! Go, grab! Oh! Go, Kuya! Oh! Kuya! Sak, go! Oh! Go, Kuya! Oh! Go, Sak!
Well done.
Good job! Go, Kuya! Oh my God!
Hang on, we're going to watch. Look.
Go, Sak!
In the back.
Oh. Go! Kick! Kuya! Oh. Go, go, go. Nandito na pala sila. O, dito si Willow and ayan ko. Binigyan ko siya ng Skyflex. Oh my God. Ang laban dito ay matindi, guys. Go! Go, Kuya! Good job! Good job!
Boy.
Good boy! Good, run, Kuya, run! Go!
You're kicking the man of the night, Millie. Promise.
Come on, help! Oh, come on, boys. Josh, Kuya! My Kuya! Come on, go! Shit. Oh, matindi ang labanan. Oh no, nandito na naman sa kabila.
He's quick, isn't he?
Oh! Oh, shh!
Go on.
Come! Ayun yung score. Nandito pala tayo. Malapit sa score 0 tayo, guys. Naka 2 points yung kalaban. Okay, second quarter na, guys. Nagkikik lang sila. Hunter. Second quarter na, guys. Sana maka-score tayo. Oh! Come on, boys. Go, Max! Go, DJ! Go, Max! Go, Kuya!
Go, Max, go!
Go, Max!
Baby!
Oh.
Oh!
Go, go, go.
Hurry up, Zach.
Go, Kuya. Go! Go, Grace!
Go, Gracie. Go, Gracie.
Sak! Do something, Sak! Zachary!
That's all you shoot.
Oh, no! No, no! Go, Kuya! Go, Tage! Go,
Keep going. Keep going.
Come on! Go! Go, Daria!
Yes. Yes.
Oh my God, go, Zach!
Josh, watch it.
Go.
Come on, mate.
You can do it, Zach. Go, Zach.
Action.
Go, Zach. Oh. Get it. Go. Go. Good job. Go.
Hold that.
Oh. Go, Kuya. Good job.
Handball, come on.
No one's there. Go, get him. Go, Max. Yes, good job. Come on.
Saki boy, go!
Dito na pala sila, ma'am.
Come on until he reaches the
Come on.
A big one, darling.
Come on.
Well, that's just great.
Yes! Come on, come on, come on.
Lead.
Come on! Run! Ay, nako. Ang hirap makascore, guys. Tapos na yung third quarter. Fourth quarter na. Last quarter.
I believe in
Si ma'am, naniniwala pa rin siya. Miracle. Okay, last quarter, guys. But, we'll see if makakatch up pa sila. Si Talana tumatakbo. Dali, Talana. Sak. Oh.
Help him, Saki!
Talo tayo, guys. Yes. Nakakain yung mga bata, guys. Nag-order na sila sa canteen. And ako nagpabili ako kay Sak ng pie. Yung pastry siya, guys. And hinag ni Jan yung mga bata. Tapos, sabi ni Jan kay Zachary, "You really put me down this time, Zach." What happened? Sabi niya, "Can you hear me coughing, Dad? I couldn't run properly." Hindi talaga siya makarun talaga. Kitang-kita namin. Hindi siya yung maliksi. Hindi yun yung Zach. Kasi nga, ubo siya ng ubo. And may sipon. And then masakit yung muscle niya dito sa legs. So, yeah. Wala. Si Kuya, ang galing din ni Kuya.
Mom.
Here. And ang galing ni Kuya kasi si Kuya naka-mark talaga siya. And also kasi nag-choose silang best player. Ang best player kasi ano mang pinipili ng coach saka ng mga nanonood. Ha? $2? I don't know, Baba. And yung fourth best player sa team ni Zach is si Zach. 6 si Kuya. Sabi ko, paano nangyari yun? Na 6 si Kuya. Dapat si Kuya ang 4. Kasi nga, yung crowd at saka yung coach ang namimili ng, ng best player. But si Kuya, para sa akin si Kuya ang best player compare kay Zach. Kasi si Zach, hindi kasi, sanay kasi ako kay Zach yung maliksi siya. Yung, alam mo yun, walang takot. This time, hindi talaga, parang hindi siya si Zach. Kahit si Jan nagsabi, "You put me down today." So, tawa lang ng tawa si Zach. Sabi, "Can you hear me coughing?" Yes, girl. Yeah, that's yours.
Yeah.
Hinanap nila yung tubig nila. So, yeah, dito muna kayo magtatambay. Tapos, walang signal. Birthday ngayon ni Holly. Hindi ako makapag-post na happy birthday kasi walang signal dito. And maghapon kami dito. Panunurin namin lahat ng grade.
Oh, Zach's it me.
No. He's giving me. Thank you. Why this one? Is it the pie? I'm thinking the other one.
Oh, that's pie sauce.
No, the square one. The other one.
Pasty.
Pasty.
It's caramel slice. What do you want?
Why'd you buy that, Zach?
I thought it was a caramel slice. It's not.
No, it's not. I don't want this. Ay, ano ka ba, Zach? So, yung akala kong madi-deliver sa akin. Mali kasi yung order ko kasi akala ko yun ang pangalan. Ito yung pie, yung pasty, yung parang half moon. Yung parang empanada sa atin. Yeah.
Get me.
What?
Wait, there's a
Guys, 5:44 na and nakauwi na kayo ng bahay, naligo yung mga bata. Now, dito tayo sa magdi-dinner.
Guys, I'm
See ya! Ano see ya?
Thank you.
Happy birthday, girl! Meron pala tayong drinks. Ito yung akin. Lemon lime and bitters. And kay Holy Sprite. Sa mga bata, lemonade. Kukuha pa lang sila. Si John Coke.
They listen, they do what Willow and I ask them to do most weeks. They play an exciting brand of footy. They use one another really well. and I can't thank them enough. They've been a pleasure to coach this year. Hopefully they will come back next year and look to go one better. It's 2 in a row we've gone down, but third time lucky next year hopefully.
Right, so thank you, Matthew.
Ito pala yung dinner ni Kylie. Yung sa amin wala pa. Ang laki ng steak. Lahat kami steak. Yung ang laki ng steak. Ang laki niya.
This is hot.
Thank you. Yeah. It's coming, Baba. Here. Happy birthday. Thank you. Hiwa-hiwalay ang table namin. Yung mga boys nandun sa mga kaibigan nila malayo. Andun sila. Andun si Sax. Si Holly nandito sa ibisang table. Lahat kami steak. Do you want veggies, Baba? No? Okay. And ayan kay John. And ito yung akin. And ito yung salad ko. So, kain guys. Namiss ko tong ganitong food dito. Masarap yung salad. Si Kylie, ongoing pa rin. Kanina pa siya. How are you doing, Kylie? Si Kobe kanina pa tapos. Pakita ko muna sa inyo kung gaano kalaki yung steak. Ganun siya kalaki, guys. Ayan. 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 Ganyan siya kalaki. Parang isang plato. Tingnan natin kung maubos ko to. Pareho kami ni John and yung mga bata, ganito lang sa mga bata, kalahati.
I would be waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that my love is real.
See, it's more fun here for your birthday.
Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna.
Bye na kami, guys. Hindi ko na wrap yung kanyang regalo. Open it here. Okay. Kuya Sak.
Wait, what did you get me? Wait, who's this from?
From Mommy. Happy birthday.
Just
Oh, can you help? Careful, careful.
No, I got it.
Careful, careful, because that's sharp. That's sharp.
What's it? Yeah, I got it. It's Stanley, okay?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
not.
No, it is. No, it is.
Careful, kuya, not to scratch, ha? Ba't ka lang box? Sa Anaconda ko yan in order.
Oh, yeah.
Anaconda.
Mom, I knew you were going to get that for me. What is it? Yeah, it's a Stanley.
It's not Stanley.
What is it? It's...
Brumate.
I'm going to bed. Good night. Written.
Brumate.
Good night, Mom.
Good night. Well done, kuya. Well done.
Wait, then how do you open it? Thanks, Mom.
You're
I
welcome.
knew you were going to get this.
And this is from Nana. Happy birthday, Holly.
$100?
Yeah.
100. I'm lucky today. I love it now.
Ano, you love it now? Wala kasi siyang party.
Just 50, you owe me. No.
Hoy, put your bag now, please. So, happy birthday. What do you say to Na?
You got $100.
Wala kasi, hinanap siya ni Nana kanina, di ba nasa Footy'S si Nana? Hinanap siya and then, umalis siya kasi kasama yung mga friend niya. Na, if I'm gonna wash that one.
Open it.
Is that what you wanted, Holly?
Yeah.
Why?
Like mommy.
That's not like yours.
Yeah, but...
$100, baby!
Ganda nito. Yung ano lang to, yung maliit version.
Nana's the best.
How about me?
And you.
Nana is the best. May $100 siya from Nana. Alright, we'll get... No,
$100.
I ordered from Anaconda.
Oh, but that might not just be from, that might be from only to one of the other 50.
No, that's only Nana. Nana. Okay, let's close the vlog. Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks. Please like this guy. Have you? See you on next vlog. Bye. Mwah.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I